Angel Michael, he who is like God. Blue ray, sword of truth, protection and empowerment. Keyword: truth. Michael's name means he who is as God, or he who looks like God. Archangel Michael has many roles with the earthly and heavenly realms. His divine purpose is as a protector of the light, a vessel for divine will and bringer of pure truth, ridding the world of fear. All will be brought to light through Archangel Michael. Archangel Michael supports the anchoring of the famous Michael line in the energy matrix system of the earth, along with many sacred buildings that are placed and named after him along this line. Defender of the element of fire and of the south, a leader among the archangels. He is the angel of power, courage, justice and strength, and is recognized as the patron angel of law enforcement and the military. Archangel Michael gives you protection and encourages you to make life changes that are required for your spiritual growth. If you feel threatened and afraid, call upon Archangel Michael. What it means if you chose this card. Archangel Michael has come through to you today to connect you with your deepest and unique truth. You could be feeling a lack of clarity regarding choices you have to make, or feeling an insecurity or lack of power within your own sense of self. Archangel Michael will bring you the courage you need to go within, to hear and to accept the truth you know to be within your own heart, body and soul. This will give you the strength to take positive action, to stand up for yourself, or to resolve conflict issues you may be facing in balance and with a sense of justice as you wield the sword of truth. Archangel Michael often comes through when we are dealing with challenges of karmic situations with family, business, a space or loved ones, and can help us to clear the karma we are experiencing, supporting our relationships with all things to move forward and for us to be less webbed in with what's going on. Through this empowerment process, Archangel Michael is supporting us to surrender to the powerful energy and flow of divine will at play within our world. When we align our will with the will of the divine or our higher self, we are able to allow rapid spiritual expansion into our reality. When we are able to surrender to divine will, we let go of our attachments and lower attributes of the ego and see all in its highest truth, including our own glorious light. Keywords: truth, courage, strength, divine will, honor, and love. Prayer to Archangel Michael. Visualize yourself standing in a beautiful space, surrounded by nature, and begin to feel the energy of Archangel Michael coming to stand by your side, holding the sword of truth. Beloved Archangel Michael, I ask you to hold the sword of truth for me, allowing divine will to come into my life. Release me from the old burdens I have carried. Teach me to let go, to be one with God and the light. Protect me and those I love, and give me the strength to stand in my unique light and truth. I am courageous and strong, and I know you are with me as I take my next step. Thank you for your presence in my life.